Every once in a while in your life, something magical happens, and you get to go on a trip that you have been thinking about and wanted to go for like your whole life. And that just happened. I have been invited with some more local YouTubers down here where I live at in Columbus, Georgia, to go to Miami, Fort Lauderdale, that area, to go fishing for peacock bass. This is one of those trips that I've been hoping for like my entire life, and the fact that I've been invited is beyond amazing. So I'm headed right now to go get on the plane, and I guess I'll see y'all down there. It's going to be one heck of a trip, and I'm just glad that y'all are going to get to come along and see it with me. So here we go.
Yeah! Yeah!
So because of the late start and getting everything together and having to get bait, we only had a couple of hours to fish on this first day. We got to this first spot. We only stayed probably about an hour before we ended up having to move. We only got to hit 2 spots before it got dark on us and we had to pack it up. So this is what happened within about 2.5 hours of fishing once we got off the plane. What? Oh, you had one on there.
Oh, I did. I wasn't paying attention.
What is that?
What is that?
No, it's not a snakehead.
Look at the teeth on it.
No idea. It's like a frog.
Look at the teeth on it. Almost thumbed him.
Joe, don't do that.
Anything in Florida. You had only done it once.
Yeah. It'd have been a learning situation.
Right there. You see one of my see him? Come over this way. He's right there. See where that long grass is? Those 2 long grass?
Yeah.
See him? He just moved. Okay, he's right there. Look at him. He's right there.
Oh, yeah. You think he'd eat this?
Yeah.
That was a bad throw.
He's still right there. Hold on.
Good, big dog. Do it. You know you want to.
Uh-oh.
They get mad about it. Come on.
It's so cool how they move it.
You know what he's doing? He's following the bite on weights.
Oh, is he?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Let's see if I can get this.
Mess around and swallow it.
Yeah.
Guys, my GoPro went dead as I caught this right here. It's they're saying it's a Mayan cichlid. This thing is huge. It's like a giant beast of a brim or something. I can't believe what I'm actually looking at. Oh man, he's tough to hold on to. Holy crap.
A lot bigger than I thought.
Got a whole lot of teeth.
So I have videos all over the place trying to get a hold of him. All right, chill out. You know, I'm gonna take you up here away from the water so we don't lose him real quick. Freaking big old Mayan cichlid, first one I've ever caught down here in Fort Lauderdale. Man, that thing has got a mouthful of teeth, don't it? Well, Nate just got a peacock bass. I guess I'm gonna throw a minnow over here and see if I can't pull one out myself. I don't think it's a peacock. I think I got a largemouth. It's a big largemouth.
Oh, that's dark.
That's a black bass right there.
That is super dark, man.
I seen him come up to the top and grab it. Hey, Steph.
Yeah.
Largemouth. Look at that. Kind of.
Just her secret spot. Never catching
Can y'all believe that? Largemouth. Everybody's after peacocks. And a largemouth followed me here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Please don't break. Please don't break on me, line. This is that cheap line.
Is this the pole we bought today?
Yeah.
It's a big one too. It's a snakehead.
Snakehead. Fuck.
It's a monster.
I don't know how to grab these either, dude.
Good God.
How about we get you on this grass right here, yeah? No, don't bring me up. Don't bring me up. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Get over here. Get over here. Come on.
It's because you,
Here, let's get him over here, brother.
I was gonna say, I'll see if I can't grab him.
Please don't let him bite you.
I'm gonna try.
Daddy. Ew. Ew.
Wow.
You see how ugly sorry. You see how ugly their faces are? Look.
I think they're pretty. He got mad at you for saying that.
I know you're pretty.
Dude. Can you hold his, can you pull that little tail up so we can see the dot on it? Yeah.
Oh, this stinks. Ooh, ooh. That's okay. That's okay. They're back in the water.
Oh, oh, guys, he is tail slapping you so hard. Look at that. Wow, it is like my hand size, that fin.
Where's Kev at? Kev!